Hey guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your clips. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the master folder, select your music folder, right click, head on over to import media and import whichever music file you want to use. Click the music file and drag that music file over to the timeline. Now depending on the length of your clip, you're going to want to zoom out. You'll see the full length of your music clip. Okay. You may not want to use all of that, so you zoom back in and you select the cut tool to cut the remainder of the music file. Now you're going to select it and delete it. The next thing you want to do is add a couple fades to the music file, just to give it some more flair, okay? So I'm gonna add a crossfade plus 3 decibels at the start and a crossfade 0 decibels at the end. Okay? That is basically it.